Have you ever seen an adult who is always whining? They're practically everywhere these days, like a pest infestation. I'm talking about men in their late 30s who can never seem to let go of their emotional issues. Every day, they return home with a new story about how they were a victim. That victim mentality has become so ingrained in them that anyone they meet becomes a weakling like them. It's the weak man's contagious energy. Instead of dwelling on the past, concentrate on the present. You will then be able to make better choices and shape your future life. Did you know that your body is constantly transforming? Your body's atoms are constantly changing, and in 7 years, all of your atoms are restored. Consider that in 7 years, you will be a completely different person. Will you carry all your heartaches and pains with you? If you continue to dwell on your past, these issues and emotional baggage will follow you until you die. These are the negative thoughts that have taken over your mind, and you have unknowingly become a slave to them. You should set yourself free. Instead of dwelling on the past, consider how to pursue your wildest dreams. When you begin to focus on your long-term goal, you begin to harmonize your body, mind, and soul in order to achieve it. If you've decided against it, to jerk off from now on, this is the start of your better future. It makes no difference how often you masturbated when you were younger. It doesn't matter if you're in your 30s or 40s and want to make a better future for yourself. Today marks the start of your new life. Yes, it will take some time to achieve that new identity. Tell yourself that ejaculation will not be part of you in the future. That's because your sperm, your seed, are the fuel that will keep your fire burning so you can pursue your dreams. You will have the necessary energy, focus, and dedication to get there and fulfill your fate. You must choose between filthy pleasure and unlimited energy. Are you prepared to give up this filthy pleasure? Are you prepared to keep your energy and discover your best self? You must make the decision because no one else can. Modern psychology only teaches us to dwell in our pasts, but dwelling in your past will not make you better. Only by focusing on your future self will you be able to change yourself. In order to overcome your grief, to deal with past karmas, you need energy and focus. You'll have a better perspective if you keep your energy up. When you look at things from different perspectives, you'll realize that everything happened for a reason and shaped you into who you are. You'll be able to forgive and forget, and you'll be able to move forward with your life. This is why sperm retention is so critical. You'll have more energy and will be able to concentrate on more important things. Aside from that, sperm retention aids in energy shifts. You'll notice that you're attracting a lot of people, particularly those with positive vibes. Those who, like you, want to pursue their dreams through semen retention will notice that the energy within you prevents the toxic effects of the past from having a negative impact on you. You were alert enough to recognize the bad energy that's holding you back. This is how sperm retention can assist you in burning your trauma. It alters your energy, which is beneficial. When you let go of your past, particularly negative memories, you will notice positive changes in your life. For example, you will be able to get rid of bad childhood memories. You'll notice that your relationships with your parents improve. When they see you try to get rid of certain behaviors that bother them indirectly, it's a huge relief for them. You'll be teaching them how to move on from their mistakes. Everyone will notice your positive energy when you stop reacting to their lower energy levels. They will begin to learn from you as a leader. So keep your focus and keep moving forward no matter how small the steps are. At this time, concentrate on the future self that you want to be. Your answer to this question will determine your present. You'll be able to make the right decisions to become your future self. Remember, the journey is not easy. You will encounter demons from your past. They will also slow you down at times. However, if you have the necessary energy and power, you will be successful. To be able to avoid such situations, to keep that positive energy going, you must practice semen retention. Stop ejaculating for small amounts of filthy pleasure. Save your positive energy to become a better version of yourself.